Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm making a video just because I got some stuff to do for my car. I drive a 2017 Ford Focus ST. I've already got some stuff done to it, which I can tell you about, but they're pretty much just like aesthetics and whatnot. So what we got in the package today was a K&N Air Filter. I know it's not like a big performance part, but you know, makes it sound a little nicer, blah, blah, blah. Supposedly more air, goes more airflow, blah, blah, blah. So we got that, already threw it on because it's literally just an air filter. And then the second thing we got is a LED headlight bulbs. This car has like LED running lights and then halogen bulbs, which I don't think looks the best. So decided to get some LED headlights. I found a YouTuber, I think his name is Cameron. He did a YouTube video on this as well. But some Auxbeam LED bulbs. Open this up, see what it looks like. So right off the bat, super nice packaging right there. So it's got all these wires and whatnot. So yeah, so there is what they look like. And then they as well have adapters that come with them, instructions that you don't need to use, and this nifty sticker. So I got a spot for that I'll tell you guys about, but let's just go right into it. All right, from here you're gonna have to take off these bolts right down here. I think it's just 2 bolts and that comes off, because then the actual housing is down in there, but you can't get to it because of this. So we are going to grab a Torx bit and get those off. So just a little rant, not trying to call it any names, but like Harbor Freight, these things are booty, just your packaging. Literally took me about, I don't know, 5 minutes, but way longer than it should have, to get all these sockets off. And literally this busted open, and literally I can't get in there. So now I have to either use a heat gun and melt it off, or just start jabbing at it with a flathead to start working. So just to let you know, you should change that. That was easy. Huzzah. Okie doke. Headlight. So now let's take out that bulb. So there's I should do it this way. There's a little cover thing right here. Just pop that off. And then right here, you twist it. And bada bing, bada boom, there you go. There's the light. All right, well, there's that. And then I think you grab the adapter thingy. But so we'll do that. And plugs in like that. And then right now I'm just gonna plug it up to the car just to see if they work. Oof. All right, so I had a little bit of trouble. They weren't working for some reason. Watched some videos and I think they said, you know, if the connections flipped or whatever, it might not work. So tried all that, blah, blah, blah. But then I ended up just using the different, I don't know what this is, like module, like whatever. But so this part is the adapter that goes into the actual headlight, because that's what the original looked like, as you can see. And so like if this part's flipped, then it might not work. And then it goes to the actual LED. But so I changed out the adapters and then it worked. So I guess that's something you gotta do, but so they should be working. Boom. LEDs. So those are the LEDs, and then these are the halogen. So you can definitely see a difference. I know it's not the best on camera, but those are definitely wider, and those are like yellow looking, because you can see yeah, it's really bad on camera, but the LED daytime running light right there is like a white, and then the halogen's like a yellow. Now you come over here, they're both white. Looks super good. So now we'll get on to the second one. Yep, check it out.
What happened? Well, how did it not?
I don't know. These are the adapters. I think I flipped them and it worked. So I guess.
One for each side. That's weird.
But yeah, so look. See that? You got the white LED, the yellow bulb.
It's just not gonna work.
And over here you got the white LED with the LED headlight looks good.
Awesome.
There we go. Awesome, awesome. All right, so now I'm just gonna tuck everything back in. Bada bing, bada boom. All good. So now we just slap this cover back on. And then plug it in, put the bolts back in. On to the next thing. Looks about right. Yeah, this one definitely went way faster. Alright, one more test for the boys. Ooh, baby. So on my old car, I had some like footwell, like LED lights. I tried to plug them into this one and they worked for a little while and then they just went, you know, so just went on Amazon, bought these like $15 whatever LED light kit. This one, it has 4 LED lights, so I can put one like in each, for each passenger or whatever. It's got some stupid thing where like it connects to the music, whatever, but blah blah blah. So we got all this spaghetti that we're gonna be wiring. I pulled my car out just because I'm probably gonna have all the doors open and my doors won't open in the garage. So she out there, oh, there she is. So we're gonna wire this up. It's probably gonna be really boring. I don't know if I'm gonna record it, but yeah, I'll let you know. All right, Just got the lights installed. I don't know, probably took me around half an hour. I was just trying to figure out like where to wire everything. So yeah, I'll go ahead and show you. Up and under there, that's where all the wires and the module thing is. And then my power wire just goes down here and then back up to that. So yeah, you can see that, but it's nothing huge. And then I routed it up and then under the shifter, and then it comes down and then up over there. And then the back ones, they just went back and I put them under the seats. So this, the LED lights, they have 3M on them, but the 3M doesn't stick to the seat. So I went and put, where is it? I went and put a piece of tape onto the seat, and then I put the light over it. So it sticks that way, because the 3M wouldn't stick to the seat itself. I'll just go ahead and so you can see these lights down here. These ones under here, they're green right now. Purple. Oh my gosh. Right there. Blue, purple, whatever. Green down there. So yeah, that's that. So inside the car, I have a banner with some stickers on them, and I think right there is a good spot for this sticker. I already peeled off the back, so let's put it up. Here's the banner for today. We got that Auxbeam sticker, we got the K&N sticker, and then that's it. Just wanted to end the video. I'm gonna put a hat on, I look stupid. So I just wanted to finish the video off, kind of going over like what I have done, what plans I have, and all that. I've had the car for maybe around 2 weeks, but I've already done some stuff to it. That's some yellow tint from Premium Auto Styling. I tinted both the front fog lights. I got a Turbo Smart blow-off valve. You know, got the premium sticker right there. We got the LEDs. We just put that filter on. Me and a friend, we put this banner on for stickers and stuff. Stars in the roof. Got that too. But yeah, that's pretty much all what's done to the car. So what's next for the car, I'm thinking maybe a short throw shifter, possibly some exhaust setup. As of now, it's got a muffler delete, but it's still fairly quiet. Some carbon fiber here and there. The ST3 package has like a carbon fiber option. I don't know, possibly thinking about putting carbon fiber in the interior, but I don't know, it's super expensive. Also maybe like some carbon fiber mirror covers, possibly wing riser. I know that's super popular. I've also seen the Focus RS wing on the STs. I don't know if I'm a huge fan of it, but I think it does make it look sportier. Wheels, tires, possibly some suspension like coilovers or something just to lower it maybe like an inch or two. But yeah, I don't know. But so there she is. Thanks for watching the video. Hope this wasn't cringe or anything, but yeah, I'll see you next time I do something.